Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Iconic Ziti with another video for you guys today. Let's make a backdrop, okay? And this time we're going to make a 6x8 backdrop. For backdrops, really the dimensions, they matter, but they don't matter. The shape matters a lot. So if it's a square shape, you want to make it a square. If it's a rectangle shape, you want to make it a rectangle. So we're doing a 6x8, which is a rectangle. So we're going to make a rectangular shape backdrop today. Okay, guys? The size you will order for this backdrop is 6x8. All right, now I'm going to show you how to create the backdrop using Creative Fabrica. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Creative Fabrica, but there's a lot of great designs and I have a membership. If you would like to become a member of Creative Fabrica, you can use my affiliate link, which is in the comments. People sell their designs on here and you can just get any design you want if you're a member. And I really like that boo design, so I definitely was going to use that. You can type in Halloween, breast cancer, anything, but for this we're going to use this boo design for our Halloween design. Okay, isn't it so cute? And if you're a member, you can just download anything that you want. So go ahead and become a member of Creative Fabrica. You can definitely use my link in the comments. All right, let's get into it now. After you download your boo from Creative Fabrica, you want to go ahead and put it back inside of Canva. And there it is. So that's going to be the center of our backdrop, guys. Let's take this white backdrop and turn it into some art. And the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and change our background color. I really liked it purple, so I did a purple gradient color, and then I changed the style of gradient. Of course, for your backdrop, you can go ahead and pick whichever color you want, but I really liked it purple, okay? And next, we're going to go ahead and just type our words in. You'll see me playing with the words and struggling with the words at first because I didn't exactly know how I wanted the words. I knew what I wanted to say, but I didn't exactly know how I wanted the words. So you'll see them one way at the beginning and then they'll change more towards the end. All right, and I'm just adding in here what I want the backdrop to say. And remember not to put things too close to the sides or to the top because sometimes if this backdrop is going to have balloons, the balloons can cover it up, okay? But me, I always still put stuff at the top anyway. I don't know why, but it can cover up the top. So you can just be mindful of that as well. Or you can just try not to cover up the backdrop when you're doing balloons. Either way, but just be mindful of that while you're designing. Now, for this part, I just wanted the hearts. So I went to Magic Grab and I clicked on the hearts so I can just take the hearts, okay? So I just duplicated the first picture and then I took the hearts off the second picture, okay? And once I took the hearts off the second picture, I deleted it because I didn't need it anymore. So as you can see, Magic Media is taking the hearts off and there are the hearts. So I just use these hearts all around the backdrop, okay? So that the picture can stay in unison. And when I'm done with the hearts, I'll just go ahead and remove the other boo because we don't need that. But if you want to take anything from the original picture, you go to Magic Grab and just grab whatever you want. All right, for this part, this is where you show your graphic design. You give your backdrop personality because backdrops are only someone's design, okay? Every backdrop that you ever seen is someone's design. So this is the part where you make the design your own and you give it a little flavor, a little sauce, make it look demure. And this is me putting my own little sauce on my backdrop. And I wanted it to be colorful, but I wanted it to be colorful with the colors that we were already using. So I went ahead and just changed my colors to orange, white, black, and purple, okay? And I went through the wording and I just said, okay, which one should look better this color? Okay, guys, I just picked randomly off the top of my head. But if you have a better method, go ahead and do that with your design and make your design your own. I went ahead and changed the font of the name, Amir, because I didn't like that font. So I just changed it to a different font. All right, and as you can see, our backdrop is really starting to come along. It's starting to look like a creative design, okay? So we really just took that Creative Fabrica picture in the middle and made it our own, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and just add that extra little razzle and zazzle. And that razzle and dazzle today is going to be our spider webs and our spider. As you can see, I added it to the top after I already gave you guys a disclaimer not to add things to the top. I still add things to the top, which is okay because I'm okay with it being covered up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, okay? All right, I was looking for extra things to put in the backdrop, and I knew I wanted smoke to be in the backdrop. So I went ahead and added some purple smoke, and as you can see, I just added it to the sides, and I added a little bit to the bottom. However you put the smoke on will work, because guess what? What do I always say? It's your design. So however you do it, it's going to be fine. As you can see, you got to twist and turn it, of course, and make it fit your picture, okay? And this is really looking like a picture, guys. What do you think? I went ahead and added a triple outline to Amir's name because I wanted it to stand out more. And then I added some extra stars, I think, to the picture. And that was pretty much the basis of our backdrop today. Okay, guys, what do you think? Did you like the backdrop or what? Are you going to make a backdrop? Are you going to use Creative Fabrica? Once you're done with the backdrop, you'll just go ahead and download it and upload it back in Canva so you can make a mock. You can show your customer a mock-up of the backdrop. All you have to do is stand the backdrop up in a room. I actually was going to show you guys how to put balloons on the backdrop, but it cut off on me. So let me know if you want a part 2 in the comments where we put balloons on the backdrop, okay? If you made it to the end of the video, this is the time when I tell you to subscribe to my channel. Come back and see what I'm doing, of course. Share this because your friends are going to want to see this. Go ahead and like it and definitely leave me some comments because I definitely try to read your comments and I try to write back. But guys, watch this. I was going ahead and showing you how to do a little mock-up to show your customers. I went ahead and typed in what type of backdrop. So you definitely want to go ahead and let your customer know what size it is. And when I was doing this, boom, the video is going to cut off. So bye. And let me know if you want to see part 2 in the comments. See ya.